Are you a UAE resident planning a trip to Singapore? Navigating the visa process can seem daunting, but fear not. In this comprehensive guide to get Singapore visa for UAE residents, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to obtain your Singapore visa smoothly. Let's understand the different types of visas available for UAE residents traveling to Singapore. Whether you're going for leisure, business, or visiting family, there's a visa type for you. Before embarking on your journey to Singapore, Tourist Visa. A tourist visa is perfect for UAE residents looking to explore Singapore's attractions and experience its vibrant culture. It allows you to stay in Singapore for a specified period, usually up to 30 days, for tourism purposes. UAE citizens do not need to apply for a tourist visa in advance for visits up to 30 days. Upon arrival, they are granted a free entry visa, which can be extended for a maximum total stay of up to 90 days. Business Visa. If you're traveling to Singapore for business purposes, such as attending meetings, conferences, or trade shows, you'll need a business visa. This visa allows you to engage in business-related activities during your stay in Singapore. Family Visit Visa. For UAE residents planning to visit family or friends residing in Singapore, a family visit visa is the way to go. This visa enables you to spend quality time with your loved ones and explore the city together. UAE residents holding certain nationalities are required to obtain a Singapore visa before visiting Afghanistan, Algeria, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Belarus, Egypt, Georgia, India, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kosovo, Kyrgyzstan, Mali, Moldova, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, Tajikistan, Tunisia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Yemen. If you're a resident in the UAE holding one of the listed nationalities not exempted from Singapore visa, you can apply for a Singapore visa from UAE at TravNook, and one of our consultants will assist you. Before you start your visa application, it's essential to ensure that you have all the necessary documents in order. Here's what you'll need. Valid passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay in Singapore. Additionally, ensure that it has at least one blank page for visa stamping. Visa application form. You'll need to complete the online visa application form accurately and honestly. Provide all required information and double-check for any errors before submitting the form. Photographs. Submit recent passport-size photographs as per the specifications provided by the Singapore authorities. Ensure that the photos meet the required size, format, and background color. Flight reservation. Provide proof of round-trip flight booking. Hotel reservation. Provide proof of accommodation booking in Singapore. Supporting documents. Prepare supporting documents to accompany your visa application. These may include your travel itinerary, bank statements, proof of employment or business, invitation letter if you're visiting someone in Singapore, and any additional documents required for your visa type. TravNook offers excellent services to assist you in every stage of Singapore visa application process from UAE. Our team of visa consultants with years of experience and comprehensive knowledge of visa requirements and procedures ensure you the success of your application. Our services include detailed guidance, detailed and comprehensive guidance on the required documents and how to prepare them to meet the requirements of the Singaporean Embassy. Document review. TravNook's team reviews all submitted documents to ensure their accuracy and completeness, reducing the chances of application rejection due to deficiencies or errors in the documents. Application submission. TravNook handles the application submission process on your behalf, saving you time and effort and ensuring it's submitted correctly. Application follow-up. After submitting the application, TravNook monitors its status, keeping you informed of any updates until the visa is issued. With our expert visa assistance, you can be assured that the process of obtaining a Singapore visa will be smooth and free of complications. Congratulations! You're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to apply for your Singapore visa as a UAE resident. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you a fantastic trip to Singapore. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Contact us for Singapore visa assistance in UAE.